Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook profile using the new update. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app. Then tap on your profile picture. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And here you will see the option called Turn on Pro Mode. If the option is not showing, then update your Facebook app from the Play Store and log in again. So here you just tap on it and then tap Turn On. Now in the default audience section, here you select Public. After that tap on Next. Then tap on Confirm. Now select a category for your Facebook profile. Here I will select Digital Creator. Then tap on Next. After that tap on Go to your dashboard. Now professional mode is enabled on your Facebook profile. For example, if I go to my Facebook profile and refresh the page, you can see the dashboard button is now showing on my profile. So this is how you can turn on Pro Mode on Facebook. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.